one of the main characters, absolutely, yeah.
Now, you're no stranger, obviously, to sporting a tash. Has that always sat well?
Well,
with the women in your life? I mean,
you know, here's this, the tragedy is this. This is a full beard for me. Like, I don't grow in. This is it.
That's as good as it goes.
I have facial hair envy. Yeah, I certainly can't grow one like that. I couldn't. Could you?
What about you, Paul? Have you ever?
No, and I wouldn't be allowed.
You probably got about 3 hairs as well.
Yeah, so I'm totally substandard in the moustache area.
We're kind of like a couple of, you know, hairless chihuahuas in a way. Or chihuahua. Depending on where you're from.
Depending on where you're from, yeah. These are the moustaches you've been giving out in the lobby. One of them is actually, I'm not even going to try it on, but one of them is actually the Party Boy, and the other one is the Casanova.
Truly?
Yeah, seriously. Yes, you're behind this merchandise, I'm assuming, Johnny, no?
I hope so.
Well, we expected better quality from you, sir.
A fuzzy slug is a wonderful thing to put on top.
A fuzzy slug. There you go.
Slug.
I've been called so much worse.
By the way, that should be a drink, shouldn't it?
The fuzzy slug.
Just don't set it alight.
Thank you very much.
God bless you. Cheers.
Thanks, man.
The problem for people with dyslexia is school. Everything at school kind of focuses on the things that they struggle with and their weaknesses. But when you get out into the big world afterwards, if you've managed to kind of break through all of that,